How to restore old YouTube layouts. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to restore old YouTube layout. So for that case, you have to open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in chromewebstore.google.com. It's going to take you to this field. What you have to do is tap on the search box and type in for YouTube Redox. When you locate the following application, go ahead and press on it, then click on add to Chrome. When you've actually pressed on it, click the add extension button and wait patiently until the following application is added completely. So here you can see this is how it's going to look like. Now you need to exit out of the following page and then go ahead and open up your YouTube application. Open up your YouTube application. This is how it's going to look like. So as you can see that the layout has been changed, and likewise if you were to get back to the same layout or the newly created or the current layout, you have to press the extension button and make sure to delete the extension, and you'll be able to get the same one. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.